This year we're going to be hosting the Power Protection and Innovation Conference again. This came about because we had the EECon come to Perth 3 years ago. It was a fantastic conference. We had thousands of people come from all over Australia to come to Perth and talk about electrical engineering, the future of electricity in our grids, and challenges and new technology coming out. But this only comes to Perth every 5 years, so it's kind of lacking in the conference space or the collaboration space, and we really wanted to have something annually for Perth that was going to get all the electrical engineers together. So we came up with an idea to do the Power Protection and Innovation Conference last year. We hosted it to what I consider much success. We had 70 electrical engineers from around Western Australia, all different fields. We had some international guests. We had a presentation where an engineer had used a single protection relay to protect an entire switch room and used the CTs from each of the tiers to feed back to that single relay, and it also gave them overcurrent protection and differential protection in the same relay. We had another protection relay presentation regarding using a standard protection relay for microgrids and how they can be used to generate island modes and interconnections. And then we also had a presentation from a transformer manufacturer and a presentation on using protection settings for closed ring versus open ring setups. This year we've got presentations on the Internet of Things and how protection relays are coming online now, and how that's being affected by the new cybersecurity rules in Europe, and how that's going to be affected in Australia. They're also going to be doing presentations on new protection testing regimes that are required when we're doing testing on site on these new digital relays, and how obviously they're different to mechanical relays, and what is the longest time period between testing that's allowed and what's recommended by the different manufacturers. And then we're also going to be having a presentation on FM transformers and how the new FM transformer standard has crept into AS2067 and how that's allowed us to reduce clearances on sites. This year we're hoping to at least double the numbers. We want to get 100 electrical engineers to come and watch our conference. We've already got most of our sponsors sorted, but we've still got a few slots left. So if you'd like to sponsor the event, just give me a call, and I'll make sure you've got an opportunity to speak. And then finally, just keep an eye out for this year's conference. We're going to post a link to the Eventbrite page from the Tech Global LinkedIn page, and we'll probably also put it on Facebook and our website. So it's definitely something that we're excited about, and hopefully you guys come and participate. Thanks very much.